Okay, this is what we like to see. Completely protected print area. They've got a perimeter fence that they set up. Once they get out of the ground with their basement's done, they're printing main floor now. Oh yeah. Look at the grade drop here. Okay.
You see that was Kyle calling me?
That's a lot of grade drop. Team Montana. Guy doesn't quit. All the stuff he's been doing to teach all of our other groups. First basement in the world. It's just gorgeous. So tell them about how you built the basement.
Okay, so the basement, we built the exterior wall. We went through and printed the foundational wall that we filled. And then we did an offset, came in, printed in 4 inches for our finished wall, in which we'll obviously finish our electrical, plumbing and such, and then insulate it. And so we've done a semi finish right here that will come back and spray with the texture and go from there. This is actually a utility room.
You're in a lot of different industries. You threw some numbers at me earlier today. Can I ask you about those numbers? What size industry is this in 2 years?
If we look at demographics, it's really easy for anybody to do. If you look at 2% growth in the residential market, factor that by whatever you think you can capture inside of a printer brand. You look at your current builds, what those starts are, to the extreme of what the printer could replace. You could affect 40 to 50% of a house. We're talking billions and billions of dollars every year of market effect based on that formula. It's very easy to find house starts. It's very easy to find projected growth. They do this all the time in the Chamber of Commerce.